Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot mobile data on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, simply reset the connections by enabling and disabling airplane mode for about 10 seconds. If this isn't helping you, then check your mobile network settings and check APN settings for your SIM card. To do that, go to SIM info and settings, and here select access point names and try to reset access points if you didn't set them up manually. After resetting APN, your network connection may improve, but for some carriers, some carriers have specific way to set up APNs with their SIM cards, and if you want to, you can also check the APN settings for your specific carrier and check the instructions on how to set APN for your SIM card if there is some specific way. Next, let's restart the phone, and in the meantime, let's also check out if the SIM card is properly inserted. To restart the phone, press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle up to restart, and to remove your SIM card, we're gonna have to grab a pin tool, which I cannot find, so just give me a moment. Okay, so here it is. And now to check if your SIM card is properly inserted, just insert the pinhole into this in here to eject the SIM card slot and the SIM card tray. And here make sure that your SIM card is inserted into one of the available slots. And you can also try and place it in a different one. Maybe this will solve your issue. To do that, we're first gonna have to carefully remove the SIM card from one slot of the tray. It sits very firmly, I must say. I never encountered anything like this. Maybe we should use a pin tool to remove it from here. Okay. Now let's insert it. As you can see, it should be inserted with the contacts to the outside. And then let's reinsert the tray into the phone, just like this. Then basically, if your phone detects your SIM card in settings, that means that it's properly inserted. So just check settings, check mobile network, and make sure that one of the SIM card trays detects your SIM card. And if nothing mentioned before helped you, then the last thing that we can do is reset network settings on the phone. And to do that, you have to go to System and Update, then go to Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, then Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm. And then check if this resolves your issue. And if not, you should contact your carrier to verify your data plan. Now that is all for this video, and I really hope that it helped you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.